Traders, I posted this trade idea euro dollar here on the 14th, 2 days ago. I'll just take a screenshot and paste it in here. This was the trade idea in the video. I uploaded this video into Tradingview down here, euro dollar on the right. Okay, so I was talking about this pullback, short, take the short, and to pull the stop loss down to break even or slightly better once we gain a bit of distance with it. It's currently moved in our favor. We're about, well actually, bear with me for a second. I'll just change that. I'll grab my trend-based fib extension. I'll show you what I've done with this. This is my risk-reward tool. Click, okay, click in the direction of the trend. Come back and click at your entry point and grab that and pull it to the stop loss. So we're currently running slightly under 1R. I'm inclined to pull my stop loss to break even right now. Don't wait. You know, don't let this run because you know, I'm not 100% confident that this will continue. So we can bring our stop loss to break even with this. What we'll do is we'll go out and I'll have a bit of a look at higher time frame. I'll just delete this image. Just have a look at this on the daily. I mean, it's under pressure, but the thing is, this was my first target here. I'll show you this. Okay, see these lows over here? See how this is traded down under these lows? What we have here is quite a significant liquidity pool in the form of buy stops that would be resting under this range. So we could pick that up, pull it across, and consider that a big support level. I'll just mark it up, liquidity pool, because that's what it is. Grab that, yeah, liquidity. And see, we're trading down into it, and I would expect this to react off this level. So let's just go back to the 4-hour chart. See what we're trading into now? And what we're getting is, I'll just back the colors off here. I mean, look, you could even take partial profits at the moment. I would take 50% with a stop loss at break even, and that way you're in the money and just let it go. Because what we've got here, in fact, I'll even go to a 1-hour chart. I just want to show you this. We have relative equal lows through, let's grab that here, double bottom. And you can even include this low here. You could pull that through. Relatively equal they are. Okay, we've got these 3 lows here, double bottom. Whenever I see this type of price action, I'm always a little bit cautious. Let's just take that out of the way for a second, because kind of price action that you see when there's a reversal imminent is generally that. Let me just move that out of the way, grab that, throw it back in there, something like that. Righto. See how we have this. This is not a prediction, but see how we have this shift here. Higher high, higher low. All right. There is a possibility that this could, not saying it will, there's a possibility it could continue up. Given that we have this double bottom, I've pointed this out in a lot of videos. When you see the market come down, it ranges, you get a bit of a fake out, shake out type of setup. What happens is, I mean, we've got this higher high, so that would pull in buyers. The stops go under, stops get hit, right? And then it moves. All right, so this price action occurs time and time again. So whenever I see the market shaping up like this, I'm always a little bit wary. So you get the range, fakey shaky chart pattern. It's the only chart pattern I'm really interested in. I don't mind a 3-bar, what is it, three drive? Yeah, I don't mind a 3-drive pattern, but it's this one. Fake out, in other words, it draws in buyers, stop losses go under, they hit the stops, you know, but the thing with this is you want to see this. This is a kind of a Wyckoff thing. It's my simplified version of an accumulation or a distribution if it's the opposite. Yeah. And then look, you're going to be looking for a break with speed. In other words, we see a strong move here with speed. It sets up an imbalance. In other words, one-sided trading. You see a thin candle with nothing left and right of it. If you see something like that happening, you might want to consider the possibility that this looks for levels a little bit higher. Okay, so I guess what I'm getting at is this price action I mean, look, it could turn around and head lower. There's, absolutely it could do that. So, I'm just saying, when you, like, if you see a head and shoulders, you're going to be on edge, or you're going to be, I guess, looking out for continuation in the direction of the chart pattern. So, the bottom line, I'm inclined to lock in 50%, stop loss at break even up here, and you're in the money. Let it go. If it hits your stop, no big deal. And if it continues down, I mean, it's possible, then that's a bonus. Absolutely. I mean, you can look at it from this perspective: high, low, retrace, high, low, retrace, continuation. All right. So, bottom line, take your money, set this up as risk-free, and enjoy the rest of it, however it works out. Guys, that's a wrap on the euro dollar trade this week. And we might see some more action tomorrow. I'll be definitely trading tomorrow, and we'll see what shapes up. So, stay tuned. I'll be uploading more videos. Comment, that'd be great. Have a great day. See you in the next one.